Let's make a quick snack with some grapes, okay? So we have a room temperature, some cream cheese. You're gonna need a half a cup of sugar. You're gonna need a cup of sour cream and then some vanilla. And you'll need grapes. You can do red and green, however you like. People add walnuts or pecans, and to this, I can't do that because it upsets my stomach. So we're just going without it, okay? So now I'm going to go with that 1 cup, half a cup of sugar. We're going to actually mix it with my mixer, okay? You rinsed and taken the stem off, okay? And I only have green, which is fine. So that's what we're going to use, okay? You guys ever had this? And then we're just going to drizzle some brown sugar on there. You guys tried it? Cheers. It was kind of like cheesecake. Right, you guys, give it a try. It's delicious. I thank you and see you in the next recipe.